occurred to us as we were considering the fact that we are a high-profile motor racing facility and we feature 600 horsepower NASCAR stock cars and nitromethane breathing 300-mile-an-hour top fuel dragsters. We understand that there's a hurdle we need to get over in introducing what it is we're doing today, and the burden of proof is definitely on us if we're going to try and wrap the green mantle around what goes on here at this facility. Infineon Raceway's sustainability initiative rests on two distinct platforms. The first platform is our commitment to make this facility a showcase for the latest in green transportation technology, and specifically with an accent on performance. Earlier this year, we gave motorcycle racing fans an opportunity to see the first ever electric motorcycle race on American soil when we had the TTX GP series. 2 years ago, we were one of the first tracks to ever showcase a hybrid vehicle as the pace car for a NASCAR race. We are going to be looking for all sorts of opportunities in that field and use the events that we have at the Raceway as an opportunity to showcase what the performance qualities are in green transportation automotive technologies. We have made huge strides over the last few years in looking at this business and looking at this facility and the environmental footprint and what we can do to reduce it. Every year we recycle colossal volumes of cans, bottles, cardboard, waste oil, other products generated by our operations, by our fans, by the nearly 100 tenants that work here in our industrial park. You may have noticed on the hillside that we've come up with a four-legged alternative to gas-powered mowers and weed eaters to keep the grass short on the 1,700 acres of real estate that we have here at the Raceway. Today we're taking a step that will dwarf everything else that we have done up to this point. In the coming months, we will be installing a 350 kilowatt Panasonic Sanyo solar electric system that will generate more than 40% of the electricity that we use to operate this facility on an annual basis. We will also be replacing the aging marquee that you see out on the highway that usually has half the bulbs out. It's going to be replaced by a new energy efficient Panasonic LED color display board powered entirely by a freestanding Sanyo Panasonic solar electric unit. This solar system is not going to be hidden away. It is going to be installed on our garage buildings, on top of the Grandstand, on the wall here at Turn 10, on top of the Russell Racing School building, in very highly visible locations. And it's going to be the newest and most visible element of this whole initiative that we are undertaking.
Everything that they do here is amazing because, as he pointed out, the contrast of a raceway in Sonoma, California, and bringing these two pieces together of performance as well as green sustainability, I think is impressive.
We see this as an incredible showcase for our technology. It's very important that the average consumer see our technology, and what better place for them to see it than a racetrack where the fans are excited, they're dying to see their favorite NASCAR racer or something like that, but now they can see the actual solar technology in use, and we think that's important.
It really has more to do, or as much to do, with really having a shared vision between the two companies in promoting sustainability from a performance angle, which we at the Raceway are uniquely positioned to do and reach millions of people each year that we can carry that message to.